Hi, this is Tina with Sid Happens Dog Training and Behavior and the Pot Cake Project. So I wanted to talk a little bit today about something that Kira says all the time, one of my apprentices. She says a behavior that would not be good when the dog is big shouldn't really be encouraged when the dog is little, and it doesn't have to do with whether it's a Chihuahua or a Saint Bernard. It has to do with when they're young versus when they're older. So we see this a lot, in particular with just straight up inappropriate behavior, like the way the puppy greets another dog is to just run up and jump on their head, or run and jump on you, right? So putting their feet on the counter, all these things that would be inappropriate when the dog is an adult, we want to try to extinguish when the dog is older. A lot of this comes down, frankly, in my experience, to just arousal and excitability and what we inadvertently sometimes reward. We have this going on with Marco right now. He's really excited to see us, which is awesome, and so he runs and he puts his feet on us, and he's not knocking us down, but he is making us dirty, and he's probably going to be a 50 or 60 pound dog when he's an adult, so we need to extinguish this behavior. Likewise, we're mommies and daddies and we really love him and he's cute as a button, and so when he jumps up, sometimes we don't even think about it and we reach down and we say hello to him. So it just means that we have to be really mindful of how we're interacting with him and what he's doing. And so we're just kind of coaching each other, and I'm trying to just remember all day, every day when I'm home with him to not encourage that behavior. As for jumping on the other dog's heads, my adult dogs are pretty good at saying, yeah, no, you're not going to do that. But now Marco's trying it with other dogs. So the way I'm fixing that is slowing down his introductions with other dogs and not letting him say hello until he's calm and relaxed with them, and that seems to be helping. So this is Tina with Sid Happens Dog Training and Behavior and the Pot Cake Project. Today's episode is on behavior that would be not appropriate big, shouldn't really be tolerated when they're little, and that doesn't mean punishing them. That just means extinguishing the behavior and slowing them down. If you're enjoying this series, please like us on Facebook, and hopefully we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.